Like getting jobs done fast? Well, you're going to love this. The Craftsman Mach series. Tools built with a focus on speed, precision, and more speed. Take the Mach series adjustable wrench. This Craftsman innovation slides to adjust perfectly in a fraction of the time of a traditional adjustable wrench. And the ratchet action jaw means you can tighten bolts without repositioning. And here's another Craftsman innovation to help you speed through projects. The Mach series T-handle. The T-handle grip ensures the torque you need to snap loose screws that are seized. Try doing that with an ordinary screwdriver. And the 12-inch shaft can reach even the tightest spots. And you won't waste time searching for a bit adapter either, because the set includes one of its own, along with 15 screwdriver bits. Right now, these Craftsman innovations are just $19.99 each. Looks like you'll be saving time and money. So hurry into Sears. Go to sears.com/innovation or call to take advantage of these great deals. Sears, the home of craftsmen.
When you're working on a car, you know how hard it is to get enough light so you can really see well. We've all tried these old drop lights. They're never nearly bright enough and they don't light up a big enough area. And when you hang them up, well, what happens? It just shines right into the bottom of the hood. And if you hold the light so you can aim it and really see what you're doing, now you can only work with one hand. And have you ever tried this? Holding it with your chin so you can try to aim it and then have both hands to work with? Plus the cord, wood runs all over your fender and scratches your paint. Not to mention the fact that these lights get really hot and they can burn you, or worse, your interior. Well, we've got the solution with the Eastwood Professional Folding LED light. It stretches from 48 all the way to 68 inches, so it'll fit everything from a small car to a large truck. It puts out 1,400 lumens. That's twice as much as a common LED. Just look how bright this is. And I've got both hands free to do work. The pads protect the paint, and I don't have a drop cord scratching the side of my car. You can use it under your car or even to see when you're working in the interior. It even makes a nice shop light over your workbench. Plus, with this light, the center section folds 180 degrees, so you can really angle the light where you want it. In fact, each tube rotates 180 degrees, which really allows you to aim the light exactly where you need to see, whether it's under the hood or in the interior. It will operate for 3 hours on the low setting and 1.5 hours on the high setting, giving you the light you need to do the job right. Plus, it only takes 6 hours to fully charge. And you can even operate the light while it's charging. So treat yourself or someone you know who loves working on cars to the Eastwood Professional Folding LED light today, and you'll never use that old drop cord again. Click the button to get yours now.
Tool storage built tough and built to perform. The Craftsman Pro Series tool storage with Smart Lock. Engineered to support up to 2,500 pounds of load with professional grade double wall construction, corner gussets, and 6x2 casters. 200-pound capacity, full extension drawers with liners store a variety of tools. The upgraded latching system keeps drawers securely closed, and the 21-inch depth delivers 20% more storage capacity for bigger tools. The open till features an integrated power strip with 6 outlets and 2 USB ports to power smart devices. And it's all protected by the Bluetooth-enabled connected lock using the app on your smartphone. You can even set it to automatically lock whenever you're out of Bluetooth range, so nothing goes missing when you run out to lunch. And when you're back in range, the app will shoot you a tamper alert, letting you know if someone tried to access your tools. The Craftsman Pro Series tool storage with Smart Lock, available in 26-inch, 41-inch, and 52-inch widths. Craftsman, when it matters.
Tight reach extension wrenches. Professional grade tools that save you valuable time and keep you from busting your knuckles. No more one click at a time and no more scarred knuckles. You're in a tight spot with your ratchet where a full swing isn't possible. With the tight reach, you bring the ratchet point out to where you have full rotation on your driver. That means better leverage and a larger degree of rotation for your ratchet, not to mention less chance of busting your knuckles. The tight reach comes in 4 existing models and can be used with your existing socket sets. Our lifetime warranty Pro-Line professional grade wrenches can be used with a ratchet driver or impact wrenches. Our heavy-duty half-inch drive is the tool you need for working in agriculture or diesel mechanics. The 3/8 drive is perfect for all those tight places in the automotive industry. And our slim profile 1/4 inch professional tight reach can reach even the smallest spaces. Finally, our entry-level 3/8 DIY wrench is built for those do-it-yourself household jobs. Each tight reach model comes with the adapters you need to get the job done. Whether you're a do-it-yourselfer or a seasoned mechanic, anyone who has a socket set can benefit from having the tight reach extension wrenches. Save your time, save your knuckles with tight reach.
We're putting the future of ratcheting wrenches in your hands with the best-in-class SKX frame. A revolutionary ratcheting wrench that gives you more power with the lowest arc swing in the industry, giving you more precision and torque, even in the tightest spaces. Where traditional ratcheting wrenches use a 1-pawl system with teeth cut into the wheel, the SKX frame uses 6 pawls with teeth forged directly into the body to give you more power. They work in pairs, engaging 2 opposing pawls at the same time, making it powerful enough to break free even the most stubborn bolts. Traditional wrenches require the mechanism to advance 1 full tooth in order to engage or click. The SKX frame wrench has staged pawls, so every time you advance 1/3 of a tooth, the next pair engages to give you more precision. At any given time, a pair of pawls are fully locked in with the teeth. At that same time, the next set of pawls are almost engaged and ready to secure. The last pair of pawls are unengaged. But as the mechanism continues to advance, these pawls will be ready to lock in. Having a new set of pawls lock each time the wrench turns just 1/3 of a tooth gives you finer engagement than any other wrench. This engagement system gives a total of 216 positions for the lowest arc swing in the industry. This stronger mechanism needed a stronger handle. Our patented X-frame split beam design maximizes strength, power, and comfort like never before. The new SKX frame ratcheting wrench from SK Professional Tools. Forged in America with American steel and designed to help you turn your street smarts into street knowledge.
Introducing the 10205 Tiger Tool Automotive C-Frame Socket Press. This press can be used for a number of different removal and installation jobs on various driveline and non-driveline related parts, such as universal and double cardan joints, wheel studs, and suspension bushings, just to name a few. Any socket with 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, or 1/2 inch drive can be used in any combination for the use on virtually all cars, ATV, UTV, side-by-sides, light-duty trucks, and farm equipment. Manufactured from high-grade steel for strength and durability, the C-frame can tackle nearly any job with up to 2.5-ton capacity. Each of the components are machined from hardened, self-lubricated steel to help prevent galling and to ensure long life. Consistent with the rest of the Tiger Tool line, the automotive C-frame socket press is made in North America with quality, reliability, and safety in mind. For more information, visit tigertool.com.